First things you're going to need are your QX grill, Scotch Brite Brillo pad, a razor blade, a microfiber towel for cleaning off the surfaces before putting on our 3M automotive indoor and outdoor adhesive tape. First thing you're going to do is take your Brillo pad and lightly scuff the surface of your grill frame. As you are doing that, it'll take off just that top surface so it's nice and rough all the way across. Make sure you don't want to go all the way through to any raw aluminum, as that will take off the cure factor of the powder coat for the marine application. Once that's done, this is taking off some of the aluminum. Or powder coat, you want to make sure that you wipe off any excess. Next is for the grill. Same type of thing, using the Brillo pad, you're going to scuff up that powder coat and take away that sheen on the back side. What that does is take off that exterior coat, which is really smooth, and gives that tape something to bite to. You know you're done if you run your finger along it and it is rough and you come out and this is nice and smooth. You want to do the same thing, clean it up. Make sure none of that debris gets stuck in the actual tape. Going back to the grill frame, now you're going to apply the adhesive tape. Make sure you run your finger along the tape. Keep it nice and tight all the way down. Take your razor blade. Do not cut into the aluminum, you're just cutting the tape off. Now I'm going to cut off any excess that's around, making sure not to cut into the actual aluminum. Now you're ready to apply your grill. You want to peel off the backing strip to the adhesive tape. Flat surface, place your grill, and then center your grill frame right over the middle. Once centered, press down firmly along all the edges of the tape. We like to hold all of the edges down for about 10 to 15 seconds, just ensuring that it gets a nice good seal and bond. Make sure you do that along the entire length of it as well. When you're all done, the grill won't even come off. as it is bonded to both the frame and the grill at this point. Now we're going to show you how strong this 3M automotive adhesive tape for both indoor and outdoor uses actually is as we take this outside to go and power wash it. You got to remember one thing as you are going to put this your grills together. You want to make sure you use some form of a towel or cleaning utilities to clean the surface of it, to clean all debris, dirt, and dust away so that it actually bites down into the grill itself and not into the actual dirt and dust and debris.
Still on there. Nowhere to go. Same thing here. The only flexion is the grill. Try it some more. See, no separation. Grill's on there. Again, no separation. No failing of the adhesive. Good to go. We're going to try it for heck of it now. We're going to try to beat it off on the front. Yep. Still pretty much on there. Same thing with this guy. Not going anywhere. Now we have two very clean grills.